Can you see how light my forehead line has suddenly become? This is crazy. If you want an overnight Botox-like treatment, then this video is just for you. आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपको दूंगी अपना नाइट टाइम स्किन केयर रूटीन जो मैं फॉलो करती हूँ हफ्ते में 4 बार. 4 times a week, this is the routine I follow that gives me plump, hydrated and absolutely firm skin. Just a reminder, 37 years old, no Botox, no fillers, no treatments as yet. Today's video is all about my Power Pack anti-aging routine. जो वीडियो है वो होगी बाइलिंगुअल, यानी मैं हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों में बात करूंगी ताकि ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोगों को ये कंटेंट अच्छे से समझ आए. Hello and welcome to Skincare Simplified. My name is Nipun, your skincare bestie, now a certified skincare consultant. And like I said, today is the almost Botox-like nighttime skincare routine. Before we get started, hit the like button. It doesn't cost you anything, but it helps more and more people see my content. I create new videos 3 times a week. हफ्ते में 3 बार यानी Sundays, Wednesdays and Fridays को मैं अपलोड करती हूँ नई स्किन केयर एंड ब्यूटी रिलेटेड वीडियोस. So if you're interested, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Now let's get into the routine. आज की इस वीडियो में होंगे बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट रिव्यूज भी because there are a lot of products that I have been using for about 4 to 6, some for about 8 weeks जिन्हें मैं ट्राई कर रही थी. और आज जैसे जैसे मैं इनको यूज करूंगी उनके इंग्रेडिएंट्स के बारे में मैं आपको बताऊंगी, उनका डिटेल रिव्यू भी दूंगी. हमेशा की तरह हम शुरुआत करेंगे चेहरे को डबल क्लेंस करके. नाउ व्हाट आई एम यूजिंग टुडे इज दिस वन. दिस इज द स्किन प्राउड फेस मेल्ट. ये मेरा सेकंड जार है जो मैंने अब यूज करना शुरू किया है. आई हैव ऑलरेडी कंप्लीटेड एन एंटायर जार ऑफ दिस प्रोडक्ट. The brand was really sweet. उन्होंने मुझे ये प्रोडक्ट दिया था before it actually launched and that's when I used it. अब ये लॉन्च हो चुका है, so if you're in the UAE, you're in any of the GCC countries, you will find this very easily. This is affordable. This retails for about 80 or 90 dirhams. जो दूसरा cleansing balm मैं usually use करती हूँ, that is by the brand Elemis and that is a bit pricey, but it is my favorite. So we're going to start by double cleansing. There is makeup, there is sunscreen, there's so much on the face. Cleansing balm हमेशा लगाया जाता है ड्राई चेहरे पे, यानी कि जब आपका चेहरा गंदा और ड्राई हो, that is when you're going to apply your cleansing balm and you're basically going to start melting all of that makeup, sunscreen, whatever is on your face. Another thing that I get asked in the comments and a lot on Instagram is that if we don't use a cleansing balm, can we use coconut oil? Can we use avocado oil? Because apparently Priyanka Chopra said that in one of her interviews that is what she does. I don't know what oil she does, but yes, you can use an oil, but an oil will not emulsify. उसे आपको फिर जब आप उसको फेस वॉश से धोएंगे तो भी वो आपके चेहरे से पूरी तरह से निकलेगा नहीं. Also, oils tend to clog your pores. So a cleansing balm or a cleansing oil is one of the best options that is available to you. So start by using a cleansing balm all over your face. क्लेंजिंग बाम को अच्छे से मसाज करने के बाद अपने हाथ में लें थोड़ा सा पानी और इसे इमल्सिफाई करें. और ऐसा करने से the oil will turn into a watery consistency. This emulsification process is very unique to cleansing balms only. Oils में और काफ़ी low quality cleansing balms में वो product emulsify नहीं करता and that's when there is an issue. And also another question that comes very frequently is that if I have oily skin or if I have acne prone skin, can I use a cleansing balm? Yes, you can, because वो emulsify हो जाता है. आपके चेहरे पे कोई oil residue रहता ही नहीं है after you wash it off and इसके बाद any which ways आपको एक regular cleanser use करना है, so you're totally safe. आपने अपना क्लेंजिंग बाम वॉश ऑफ किया, उसके बाद सेकंड क्लेंस में आप लगाएंगे कोई भी रेगुलर क्लेंजर, whatever matches your skin type. My skin type is normal to dry, sometimes very dry, so I use the Derma oil cleanser. This is super gentle, super hydrating, but there are so many more hydrating ones in the market. You can use whatever works with your skin type. Take time taking off your makeup, take time taking off your skincare, your sunscreen. I always tell the ladies that when we apply makeup, depending on how much makeup you do and how fast you are, you can take maybe 2 minutes, maybe 20 minutes. तो एटलीस्ट 2 मिनट तो अपने चेहरे को साफ करने में लगाएं बिकॉज दैट इज द फाउंडेशन स्टेप ऑफ योर स्किन केयर रूटीन. After you wash your face, now we start the skincare routine. The first product I use is a hydrating toner. जो मैं यूज करूंगी वो है Some by Me का Propolis toner, and अगर आपने last 1.5 महीने में मेरे videos देखे हैं, then you would know that this is the only toner I have been using. I have never literally finished a toner so quickly. It's right here. So I've used a little more than half. And hydrating toner को हमेशा directly मैं हाथों पे लेके ही यूज करती हूँ. I take it onto my hands and then I press it in. Especially इस toner को press in करने से you get a really good impact. It almost works like a little bit of a serum. Once this is still drying up on my face, यानी कि ये पूरी तरह से सूखा नहीं है, it's kind of still drying up, I will go in with another serum. Now you all know how much I love the Cosrx Snail Mucin Essence. It is my holy grail. The product I've been using last few weeks, which I finished quite a bit, is the Advanced Snail Mucin Radiance Dual Serum. So इसके एक side में Snail Mucin है as regular, and दूसरे side में है niacinamide, which makes it super brightening. So I take about 2 pumps of this. And ये मैं आंखों के नीचे भी लगाती हूँ. It's very gentle. The niacinamide is low concentration. It's not like your niacinamide 10. It's low concentration, so you can आराम से apply it under your eyes as well. Right, this is done. Now we're going to go in with the first serum of our Botox routine. ये दोनों steps भी important हैं, but optional हैं. If you want, you can skip it. You can use any toner of your choice. But अब जो मैं product आपको दिखाऊंगी, that is the real deal of Botox. Just wait for it. Next, we're going in with Argireline Solution. And ये बहुत पतला है, so इसको मैं directly dropper से ऐसे लगाऊंगी, तो it will run all over my face. So the best way to apply this is literally take a few drops, 3-4 drops, and then apply it very gently इस तरह से. Especially जहाँ areas में आपकी lines आती हैं, all of that, that's where you're going to apply it. So like for me, it's my forehead, under my eyes. I don't have lines under my eyes, but okay. And this product is very watery, so इसको कुछ 1 से 2 मिनट लगते हैं for it to dry down completely, and you want it to dry down completely. इसको लगाते ही I start feeling that it is like firming up something, right? Like, I'm not saying like Botox, it will restrict your movement, but your skin just tends to feel tighter. इसको लगाते ही the effect is almost instant, like that one line that is super visible, you almost stop seeing it. Now we go in with serum number 2, but that is Matrixyl and HA, which is hyaluronic acid. And अगर आप ये channel कुछ time से देख रहे हैं, then you know that hyaluronic acid always goes on damp face. Now my face is totally dry, so I'm just going to take some water in a spray bottle. And I'm going to mist my face, and इसके बाद मैं लगाऊंगी Matrixyl 10% in HA. The Matrixyl 10% in HA is a thick serum. And इसे आप वैसे ही लगाएंगे how you apply your hyaluronic acid or any other product, any other serum. And always take it on your neck. Everything we apply, it goes on the neck. And very soon I'm going to tell you about one product which is even better than this combination, but I'm still testing it out, तो उसको थोड़ा time लगेगा. But until then, affordable range में Matrixyl plus Arginine, Power Pack Duo, so affordable, हर जगह मिलता है. This is something that I would recommend to you. When these two serums dry out, your face is so tight and snatched, Can you just see the light, the way it is reflecting? Let me just switch off the light and show you the impact कि बिना ring light के भी my skin is looking so good right now. Can you see how light my forehead line has suddenly become? This is crazy. I literally feel so tight and snatched. This is next level stuff. And जितना आप इस routine को follow करेंगे, the more you keep using your peptides, the more your skin is going to improve, the more hydrated it will stay, the more collagen production will increase. It just works at a multitude of levels, and it is very important to use a serum that has multiple peptides like the Matrixyl and HA, like the Arginine, which standalone is very good because they have multiple peptides. Not like Alia Bhatt use one serum that has one hexapeptide 8 and khush ho gaye. That might work on Alia. She's very young, she's just 29, but 37 pe ek peptide wala serum will never work. So when you look at my face right now, it's super snatched. It's because of this combination of the two peptides that I have used. Ab lagate hain eye cream. I will also give you a review of a fantastic, very affordable eye cream that I discovered December last year, got it in January, have used it extensively, and it is amazing. So I discovered this brand called Derma E. I got it from iHerb. This is American, and they have an entire range. This purple colored packaging is an entire range, which is their stem cell lifting range. This particular eye cream has copper peptides and kakaru plum, and this is something that you can use with retinol because the way this has been formulated, इसमें थोड़ा सा बहुत थोड़ा amount of retinol already है. This is not a high concentration copper peptide like your copper peptide serum from The Ordinary. This is little bit of copper peptide. It's got kakaru plum, which is vitamin C. It is so amazing. It is thick. It is amazing for wrinkles. इसे मैं recommend नहीं करूँगी for dark circles. Okay, for dark circles, there are 3 to 4 creams that I recommend. Boots number 7, Kiehl's, Banana Bright, Revolution Skincare. There are 4 creams that I recommend for dark circles. But wrinkles के लिए ये product amazing है. I don't have much wrinkles, but obviously I do get like smile lines and stuff like that. And थोड़ी बहुत dryness होती है. My under eye area is very thin, and this is such a favorite, and this was like 30 dirhams. The best price for this product was on iHerb. So wherever you are, whichever country you're watching me from, agar iHerb ships to you, definitely go and check this brand out. It is fantastic. So this is the purple colored eye cream that I have been using, and I've been saying in my videos that I'm testing it out, I'll let you guys know. So I'm letting you know it's by Derma E. It is their stem cell eye lifting copper peptides kakaru plum. Such good ingredients in this one cream. Fabulous, highly recommended, specifically if you have under eye wrinkles. Now let's move on to our treatment. Peptides ho gaye. No points for guessing it right. Now we'll go in with our retinol. So you all already know I use Retinoid, and Retinoid, which is your prescription strength retinoid, लगाने का सही तरीका, pea-size amount, dot it on your face. That's all you need. A little bit on your neck, and हल्के हाथों से you'll just smooth it over like this. और जो बच गया, just rub it on your hands. Now after you apply your retinoid or your retinol, you will wait for about 5 minutes. 5 मिनट का टाइम देंगे ताकि प्रोडक्ट अच्छे से absorb हो जाए. उसके बाद आप लगाएंगे night cream. The night cream also that I'm using is a special one, so wait for it. The night cream also that I'm using is by Derma E, and it is their anti-aging range, but this is not a face cream. But मैं इसे use करूँगी as a face cream. So this is the Derma E Creepy Skin Repair Treatment. This has copper peptides, resveratrol, and a lot of amazing ingredients. अब ये creepy skin क्या होता है? Creepy skin कुछ इस तरह दिखता है. With really old people, जब उनकी skin बिल्कुल sag कर जाती है, basically this is a neck cream. But when I read the ingredients, I realized that there is nothing in this that cannot go onto your face. right? And they do have an anti-aging night cream as well from the same range with absolutely similar ingredients. But you get about 180 grams of product. Just look at how much product I have. This will last me like 2 years. I'll have to put it on my body and finish it off. So this is a really thick, a really hydrating cream. It has a little bit of retinol, so I have to be careful because मैंने already Retinoid लगाया है. But this is something that is marketed for the neck. But honestly speaking, guys, चेहरे पे भी बहुत अच्छे से काम करता है. And this was like 50 dirhams, right? Which is almost 1100 rupees. So like I said, Derma E is a very, very affordable brand. I have only found it on iHub. I think some of it is available on Amazon as well. And if you can find it in the country you live in, please get it. It is really nice. Specifically, अगर आपकी skin normal combination या dry है, अगर आपकी skin oily है, then this is too thick for you. So this is not something that you might enjoy. But you know, dry skin, all of that is okay. Now at this point you might be wondering कि layering में गड़बड़ हो गई है because I've used Arginine, Matrixyl, which goes with retinol, but इसमें है copper peptide which doesn't go with retinol. Well, pure copper peptide serum clashes with pure retinol. But जब भी इस तरह की cream या eye cream में copper peptide होता है, उसकी concentration बहुत कम होती है. So it doesn't really mess or break down the other ingredients. So it's completely safe to use when you're using it in this form. But like I would always say that if you're using the ordinary buffet copper peptide, उसके साथ retinol मत लगाएं because the two break down and आपको कोई benefit नहीं मिलता. Tried it out extensively last year and I can tell you, so don't make the mistakes or don't do the experiments that I do. Let me do the experiments. You should just enjoy your skincare benefits. So this is it. And when I wake up the next morning, I know my skin is gonna look hydrated, it's gonna look plump, it's gonna look amazing. It's almost gonna look like I had a Botox treatment overnight. अगर आपने ये वीडियो एंजॉय करी है, अभी तक देख रहे हैं, लाइक करना भूल गए हैं, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in the next one. After this, watch the next video because that's the one YouTube thinks you should watch. I'll see you next. Bye.